Duty is God. Introduction. Life gives us many responsibilities. Every person in this world has certain duties to perform. A student's duty is to study. A teacher's duty is to teach. A doctor's duty is to treat patients, and a soldier's duty is to protect the nation. These duties are like worship because they are the foundation of our character and society. Duty is God. The phrase duty is God means that performing our responsibilities honestly and sincerely is equal to worshipping God. Just as people pray to God with full faith and devotion, in the same way we should carry out our duties with dedication and honesty. Duty teaches us discipline, respect, and sincerity in life. Importance of duty. When everyone performs their duty faithfully, society becomes strong and peaceful. If a student studies sincerely, he will become successful. If a student studies sincerely, he will become successful. If a teacher teaches honestly, students will get good knowledge. If parents take care of their family with love, the family remains happy. Thus, duties bring progress and happiness in every field of life. ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इस वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।